Let's see how to draw a circle in a square in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, if we want to draw a circle inside of a square, first we have to insert our square. And we can do that by clicking on Shapes under the Insert tab, click on the rectangle right here, and click anywhere in your document. And as you can see, that will automatically insert a square into our document. Now let's go ahead and remove the shape fill. Now that we have that, we can go ahead and insert our circle. So let's do the same thing. And click again. And you'll see that you now have a circle right here. However, although you can drag your circle, there will be times that your circle will cover your square or be in front of it, like this one. To make sure that that doesn't happen, change your text wrapping. Change the text wrapping of your circle and place it behind text so that it will be placed behind the rectangle, creating the illusion that it is inside the square at all times. And that is how you can draw a circle inside of a square in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.